Mm-hmm. Annabelle, go up that very slow, please.
You can't catch me up here.
You gotta climb up the other way, buddy. You gotta climb up those stairs over there.
Annabelle, watch what you're doing. Annabelle. Good girl. Can you do it? Whoa, good girl. Now where are you going to go? Are you going to go down the baby slide? Or the big girl slide? Yeah, go down the baby slide. Yeah. Go. What are you doing, you scooter? You can do it. Give yourself a push with your hands. Go ahead, push. Good girl. Sure? Okay.
Daddy.
Go very slow. Watch what you're doing, Annabelle. Annabelle, watch your feet. Annabelle? Hey. No, no. Yeah. Good girl. You gonna go down the baby slide? Where are you going?